Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install any games or application on Microsoft Store, and that is because of the error that is 0x80004003. So if you're receiving this error code while downloading any application or games from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again in Microsoft Store. So on the store on the top right here you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then again click on your profile icon, then click on sign in. Enter select your email, select your account, then enter your PIN or password over here, and then once you're logged in you can go ahead and try to install the application or game. Now still you're receiving the error code. In that case, make sure that date and time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here, and in Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically, so make sure that is also on. And in Windows 11 you can go ahead and select the time zone from here, and then you can go ahead and click on sync now. And if you want to make changes you can go ahead and click on additional clock. On Windows 10 you will find the option somewhere on the right hand side, so click on it, then go to date and time, and then click on change date and time, and you can go ahead and change month and year from here. Select the right date and you can go ahead and enter the right time over here, then click on OK. Also make sure the region is correct, so you can go ahead and click on time and language, go to language and region, and make sure right country is selected over here, and then try to use Microsoft Store. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now in Windows 11 you have to click on system, and then you will find the troubleshoot option. Now if you have Windows 10 then you have to go ahead and click on update and security. Over here you don't see update and security, but once you launch settings on Windows 10 you will find update and security. Click on update and security, then you will find troubleshoot. So in Windows 11 it's under system, so click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooter. Now scroll down, here you can see Windows Store apps, click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete you can go ahead and try to use Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, again go to the Windows settings and again click on system in case if you have Windows 11, and then click on troubleshoot. Now if you have Windows 10 then click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, additional troubleshooter or other troubleshooter, and then here you can see Windows update. Click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete you can go ahead and try to use Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update Components and Microsoft Store install service. Now go ahead and copy this link. This link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Open this website. Now over here you can scroll down, and here you can see download Windows Update Reset script for computers running Windows 10, but it also works in Windows 11. It's working on my computer, so click on this link, and then it will go ahead and download the zip file. So go to the download location, make a right click on wsreset Windows 10, then click on extract all, extract, and once the extract is done open this folder, and then make a right click on wsreset, and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then you will see the screen. Over here it prompts you to press any key to continue, so press any key on the keyboard, and then it will go ahead and first of all it will go ahead and stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the Windows Update services. So this process may take some time. It may take few seconds or maybe a minute, so let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's restarting all the services now. And at the end it tells you to press any key on the keyboard to continue, so press any key on the keyboard, and this will go ahead and close command prompt window. Now we also have to start Microsoft Store install service. For this, go ahead and type in services in Windows search box, then click on services over here, and then find Microsoft Store install service. So here you can see Microsoft Store install service. Make a double click, and then select startup type as automatic. Click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. And with this Microsoft Store install service selected over here, click on restart the service. And now you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and start using it. Now the next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box over here, then click on wsreset. Click on yes to allow, and this will show you a black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. So just wait for this black screen to go away. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can start using it, but still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset store app. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, and then go to apps, and then click on apps and features. Now in the search box, go ahead and type in store, and then in Windows 10 simply click on Microsoft Store, and then you will see the advanced option. In Windows 11, click on these three dots, then click on advanced options. Scroll down here, you can see the reset option. So click on reset, and once the reset is done, you can open Microsoft Store and then start using it. Now the next step is to update Windows 10 to the latest version, or Windows 11 to latest version. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to Windows Update or Update and Security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then use Microsoft Store. The next step is to delete Windows Store local cache file. For this, go to this location. This location is provided in the video description. So open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open the users folder, and then open your username folder, and then open AppData. If you don't see AppData over here in the list, in that case, in Windows 10 on the very top, you will find somewhere over here, you will find view option. So click on view, and then you have to go ahead and put a check on the box which says hidden items. Now in case of Windows 11, click on this view over here, and then select show, and then make sure hidden items is checked, and you should be able to open AppData. Open AppData, then open the local folder, and then find the packages folder, open packages folder, and then scroll down, and then you have to go ahead and find Microsoft Windows Store. So here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore and some alphanumeric character. It is same as it is over here. So you have to go ahead and open this folder over here, and then here you can see local cache file folder. Make a right click, then click on delete, and once that is done, you can go ahead and launch the Microsoft Store and then start using it. The next step is to run Powershell command to re-register Microsoft Store. For this, go ahead and copy this command. This command is provided in the video description, and then type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. So make a right click, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then paste the command over here, and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store once again. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. For this, go ahead and again open PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then copy this command, the first command. Now this command will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Store. So paste it over here, hit the enter key, and then next time when you type in store, you won't find store over here. Now you can go ahead and restart your computer now, and then copy this command. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. So again open PowerShell, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and paste this second command, and then paste it over here, hit the enter key, and this will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. So now you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store, and you should be able to use Microsoft Store. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run these two commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, go ahead and run the second scan. So copy this command and then paste it on the same window, and then hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and use Microsoft Store. The next step is to run this inetcpl.cpl command. So go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box, then click on inetcpl.cpl, and then go to the advanced tab over here, and then scroll down. Here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all are checked over here. Then click on apply, OK, and then launch Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows using media creation tool. If you have Windows 10, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next. And then it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Once the download is complete, now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation you can go ahead and log into your computer and then launch Microsoft Store. Now in case if you have Windows 11, then copy this link and then open this link in a browser. It will take you to Windows 11 website, and then here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now and then go ahead and run this exe file. Now click on accept once again, and then Windows 11 would be selected by default. Click on next. Here you have to go ahead and select ISO file, then click on next, and then you have to go ahead and select the location where you want to save the file and then click on save. You can go ahead and select desktop and then click on save. Now once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and click on finish and then go to the desktop, and here you can see the Windows ISO file. Make a double click and then open this setup folder. Make a double click, click on yes to allow, and this will load Windows 11, and then by default Windows 11. Here you can see install Windows 11, then click on next, and then it will start getting update. Now this process will take some time. Now again, before the installation, you will see the same screen ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install, and after the installation, log into your computer, and once you log in, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store and then start using Microsoft Store, and you should not receive this error message anymore. So one of the steps should definitely help you to install the games or application on Microsoft Store without any error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.